Hey everyone, this is Milan from Hypermedia, and in today's video I wanna talk about inbound marketing as I promised. So, what is inbound marketing? First of all, let's talk about this. So, our outbound marketing was when you come to people and you outreach to people. Now, inbound marketing is the exact opposite. So, people come to you. How you can reach it? There is an equation to give, and then get. It's not an equation actually, it's just a saying, but yeah. Give them with inbound marketing and then ask. And yeah, inbound marketing, you can ask them to do stuff. So, inbound marketing is basically trying to lure people in and get them to come to you. Now, this is the hard part. Because it's not fucking easy to get people to come to you. So the thing that I wanted to tell you is that there is two types of inbound marketing, at least in my understanding, and how I'm going to look at it is two types of inbound marketing. And the first one is the one that controlled by somebody else. So basically that is like social media, because yeah, you are controlling your own feed, but you're not controlling how it's going to get out. So you can post your stuff on IG, you can post your stuff on Facebook, but to be honest, it's not going to go out as how you want it, because you have 100,000 followers and it's going to be getting out for like 10% of it. 10% of your followers, even not 10% of your followers, and maybe like 5 to 10% of other non-followers. That's not a great number. So you have 100k followers, which you build in years of work, years of making content, and the big brother says that you cannot talk to them all at once unless you have a great content, and you will never have that great content that it's going to be reaching all of your followers, especially if you are bigger, because if you have 200 followers, then yeah, it could reach all of them, and you have a personal page. So, but that's a whole another topic. But it's not that easy with the big brother in place, and this is why I'm saying the not controlled, the controlled ones, and the main type of it is social media, and all of the social media is like that. Yeah, of course you can go viral, but it's going to be just expediting the reach, so the outreach, because you are not going to get your followers reached. You are going to reach people's outside of your following, which is of course great, but the following is better to reach because they have trusted you with their follows, and they have trusted you with their content, they have trusted you with their like, and you have a deeper, let's say, relationship with them. Okay, so this is why it can enhance the process, and this is why I'm saying the control, the ones are not the best. However, you should use them, because by the way, they are not that hard, and they are not that hard to keep up and to maintain them, but they are really hard in terms of skill sets and in terms of volume you need to do, because if you are doing paid advertisement or outreaches, yeah, you have to do tremendous amount of volume, but you have to match that. If you just want to do inbound, of course you can do that, but you have to match that outreach, because you are reaching out to 700 people daily with a close message, and you are paying $100 a day to reach 10,000 people with a close message. Now, inbound marketing, you have to do as many content as possible to reach as many people as possible, because you don't know how many is going to be close message like inbound or like a personal message for your email address. And there comes the uncontrolled types of inbound marketing, and that's going to be email addresses, contact lists, and many other ways. But that's going to be platforms and entities and lists that are nobody can control, just you, because you have an email list. There is nobody can ever tell you that you can't send out an email to that email list, because you can. Yeah, of course, if you have a Gmail address, Gmail can tell you that you don't, that you can't send out an email because they block your email. Yeah, they can do that, but to be honest, the government can do that with your business too. So yeah, but with social media, the difference between the two is if you send out an email, it's going to reach all of that, and maybe not everybody will open it, but this is on you, because if you have a great enough subject line, they will open it. If they are interested enough in you, they will open it. By the way, if you send out an email, that's going to have more than 10% opening rate. More than 10%. And you are lucky if you have a 10%, if you have a 5% engagement rate. 5%. Yeah, of course, you can build cults and shit, but it's even fucking harder to build cults, cult followings. So yeah, basically, inbound marketing is all about control. The best is when you are controlling the platform. Now, there is a game, so you have to play it in social media, because if you're not, you're missing out too much. So play the game and go in the game and use the game and take advantage of the game and leverage all the game. But if I were you, I would try to collect those peoples and try to drive them and guide them to the other side, let's say, to the other side, which is going to be your self-controlled or uncontrolled, let's say, uncontrolled inbound types. So basically email, basically content lists, basically phone lists, phone number lists, and all kind of stuff that you are controlling, and you are the main entity there, and you are the one that can send out, and you are the one that can control how it's going to be opened. Because if you're great enough and you have great enough skills, then you can control it. And with an email marketing and with inbound in general, the main thing you have to master is how to connect with people, because inbound marketing is all about connecting with people, and the better you connect with people, the better your inbound marketing is going to get, because the more people you can connect, the more people are going to reach out to you to help them. Okay, so you have to, in outreach, the connection is there and it needs to be done, but in outreach the understanding is much more important than the connection. Here you have to understand them, but you have to connect with them as well, because you can have a follower because you understand their needs, and you get a follower, you get an email. But if you don't connect with them in terms of your content, in terms of what they really want, so they, let's say, want a workout plan, but what is that more they really want, and how you can get there, that's the one that you should be thinking about, how you can get those results. And inbound marketing is all about connection, and this is a key skill that is learnable. You just have to understand your audience and everything else in terms of your customers and followers. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and know a little more about inbound marketing. And I'm going to do another video about comparing the two, how it play out, and basically when you should deploy what, and when scenario is the better for one and another. So I see you in the next one. Have a nice day, guys.